going to show you how you can create a transparent GIF from a single image. So we are going to be using free AI tools without wasting any time. Let's get into it. First, we are going to need an image which we are going to generate. In our case, is this image right here. So we are going to use this image to create this right here, an animated GIF. So it doesn't matter it's a logo or anything. Let's get into it. Yeah, so for starters, we are going to be using LM Arena, this one right here. In this, you're just going to on your browser and open it. Then you come here and generate image. Then you come here and select upload an image. From this, we can look at the reference image. The first thing we are going to do here is remove these words. So you're just going to write it to tell it to remove the words from the image. Remove, so I'll write it, then I'll be back. So it will casually remove the words and we'll have this logo without words. This is the image which we get after the words are removed. Then we are going to head back to LM Arena and ask it to use this image to remove that background to make it white. This is the image that we get after generation. Then the next thing, we are going to ask LM Arena to remove the background of this image. So we are going back to LM Arena, then we upload an image. It's now in our downloads. We got this. So we are going to ask it to remove the background. After telling it to remove the background, it will come back with this white background. This is what we need. This process is very important because you'll see why in the next few steps. So after you have this image, after having this image, we are going to Meta AI so that we can generate a GIF from there. So we head back to our browser and go to Meta AI, this site. So from this, we are going to, as you can see, I already generated mine, but you can go and ask here, ask anything. Then you can add media, then you drop this image, then you ask it to animate. You tell it to animate how you want it to be. In my case, I wanted it to be like this. I told it to animate the bed. As you can see, mine is already animated. I just gave it a prompt. I told it to animate a bed moving its wings and the lines moving. So as you can see the result right here, and I used it after trying a few more times with these results, which I did not like. Then I tried again, I did not like it. Then I tried, and this is the result that I got. So after getting this is not exactly what I got. So I head back to using my video editing software. In my case, I'm using CapCut. So trimming the parts which I did not like in CapCut. Then this is what I exported as the final video. As you can see, exporting your video from either CapCut or Premiere Pro, it will come with this format. Either it will be in MP4 or a MOV file or a WebM. So what we are going to do is enter in this website right here, and we are going to import that file so that it can convert it into a GIF file. So we're going to choose the file. We are going to the folder in which we stored the video, the MP4 video. We are going to upload it to the site. Then it will tell you to trim, create, or upload. Then you're going to continue, trim your video. Then after this process, your video will be already into a GIF, as you can see right here. So what you're going to do is download the video. So after this process, then you're going to head back to this another website so that we can remove the background from the GIF. So this website is called onlinegifttools.com. So we're going here and import the GIF which we created area. So downloads, here we have that GIF. This is the GIF that we created. So we're going to open it, and and we're waiting for it to load. Let's see when it loads. So after it loads right here, you can see the output will be shown in this place right here. So what we're going to do next is head down here. We're going to head down here and save as, then download. So we're going to ahead and download. It's saying preparing your GIF. So it will take some couple of minutes. It depends on your internet, or seconds. Then after that, you have a transparent GIF. Then you can download it. That's the whole process. So this was the reference image, as you can see, and this right here is the final animated GIF. So that's the process. See you again in another video. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe for another tutorial. Peace out.